Mbosi community in Ihiala local government area of Anambra State was agog recently during the burial of a community leader, educationist, and a man many describe as a role model, Pa Onuchukwu, which took place in a grand style. Chinyere Fesokwe reports.
The burial mass was at St. Patrick's Catholic Church, Mbosi, where the officiating priest, with reference to the readings of the day, noted that death is a price all mortals must pay at God's appointed time. Eulogizing the virtues of the deceased, the late Pa Onuchukwu Chukwudozie, the priest enjoined the survivors to sustain their late father's legacy of hard work, community service, and entrepreneurial life, among others.
He's simply a Christian and is loved by everyone.
From the church, remains of the Pa Onuchukwu Chukwudozie were conveyed to the country home for interment and final Christian burial rites.
So trusted, a husband who can never tell you lies.
His advice has led me so far, and he's a man of hard work, courage, dedication.
He's a man of honor and integrity. You hardly see him brag. Even with everything I've achieved, he died in the Lord. That I'm very sure of.
My father is a hero. My father is a man who taught me hard work.
He's a man that believes in God for everything to be possible in life.
Once he gives you an advice, if you put that advice into practice, it will yield a lot.
The burial ceremony attracted a large turnout of mourners and sympathizers, in-laws, friends, and well-wishers from within and outside the community, including prominent personalities and political leaders. Among them was the member representing Ihiala Federal Constituency, Pascal Abodike, whose presence underscored the high esteem in which the deceased was held in the Mbosi community.
One of our stakeholders, a good man. He lived a good life, a good Christian life, worthy of emulation.
He was too generous, you know. He was God-fearing.
He was a community man. He's doing well.
Born on 26th April 1946, late Pa Onuchukwu Chukwudozie is survived by wife, children, and host of other relations. From Mbosi, in Ihiala local government area of Anambra State, Chinyere Fesokwe, NTA News.